From $0 to $10 million, realistic financial roadmap explained. What if I told you that building $10 million is not about luck, crypto hype, or overnight success? What if the real secret is boring systems, long-term thinking, and ruthless discipline? Today, I will break down a realistic step-by-step financial roadmap that takes an ordinary person from $0 to $10 million, using principles followed by self-made millionaires around the world. Stay with me till the end. This could completely change how you see money. From $0 to $10 million, realistic financial roadmap explained is not a fantasy story. This is not motivation. This is not fake get-rich-quick advice. This is a practical financial blueprint based on income growth, smart investing, leverage, patience, and compounding, used globally by entrepreneurs, investors, and high-income professionals. Let's be clear from the start, $10 million is achievable, but only if you follow the right phases in the right order. Phase 1, $0 to $100,000, survival, skills, and control. This is the hardest phase, not because it's complex, but because it tests your mindset. Step 1, financial discipline comes first. Before earning big money, you must stop bleeding money, track every expense, kill bad debt, live below your means, build a 6-month emergency fund. Wealth is not built by how much you earn, it's built by how much you keep and reinvest. Step 2, invest in high-value skills. At 0, your biggest asset is your skill set. Focus on skills that scale globally: sales and persuasion, digital marketing, programming, AI automation, finance and investing, business operations. Your goal here is to increase income, not lifestyle. Step 3, increase income, not expenses. Side hustles, freelancing, online businesses, or job promotions, anything legal and scalable. Target $5,000 to $10,000 per month income. Once you save and invest your first $100,000, you graduate to Phase 2. Phase 2, $100,000 to $1 million, acceleration and leverage. This phase is where money starts working harder than you. Step 4, smart investing. Diversify, but don't gamble. Index funds and ETFs. Strong businesses or startups, real estate with cash flow, long-term equity investments. Avoid emotional trading. Avoid hype. Follow data. Step 5, business or equity ownership. Salaries make you comfortable, ownership makes you wealthy. Build or invest in online businesses, SaaS, e-commerce brands, local businesses with systems. Your goal is scalable income, not hourly income. Step 6, reinvest everything. In this phase, lifestyle inflation is your enemy. Reinvest profits. Delay luxury. Build momentum. Target $1 million net worth. Phase 3, $1 million to $3 million, systems and protection. At this stage, wealth preservation matters as much as growth. Step 7, systemize everything. Your income should not depend entirely on you. Hire teams, automate operations, build repeatable systems. You are no longer a worker, you are an asset manager. Step 8, risk management. Protect your wealth. Legal structures, insurance, diversified assets, conservative debt use. Rich people don't chase returns, they manage risk. Phase 4, $3 million to $10 million, scale, influence, and compounding. This is where exponential growth happens. Step 9, leverage other people's time and money. At this level, you partner instead of working. You invest instead of operating. You influence markets, not chase them. Think private equity, large real estate deals, strategic acquisitions. Step 10, long-term vision. The biggest wealth builders think in decades, not months. Compounding legacy businesses, brand value, intellectual property. This is how $3 million quietly becomes $10 million. Key truths most people ignore. Wealth is slow at first, fast later. Discipline beats intelligence. Boring strategies win long-term. Time is more powerful than timing. Consistency beats motivation. Final reality check. You don't need to be born rich. You don't need connections. You don't need luck. You need a clear roadmap. High-income skills, ownership, patience, and relentless execution. From $0 to $10 million is not magic. It's math, mindset, and momentum. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel, Finance Reality, for more interesting information videos.